Hello students. Today we're going to talk about something really important. The green label. What we do has an impact on the environment, and protecting the environment is crucial for all of us. That's where the green label comes in. It's like a secret code, a sign that tells us a product is made with the earth in mind. Let's break it down point by point, so it becomes easy for you to understand and also to remember for your exams. So, what exactly is a green label? You can think of it as a badge of honor for products that are environmentally friendly. It's a certification mark that tells you a product has met certain standards, meaning it has minimal negative impact on the environment throughout its entire life cycle. Here in India, the green label is a part of the Eco-Mark scheme, launched in 1991 by the Ministry of Environment and Forests. The Eco-Mark is a standard for various products. The green label signifies that a product is made in an environmentally friendly way and is biodegradable. Remember, it's not just about the product itself, but about the whole process. Now you might be wondering, why is the green label so important? It plays a crucial role in protecting our environment. First off, it encourages industries to reduce pollution. That means cleaner air, cleaner water, and healthier soil. Second, it promotes sustainable practices, ensuring that we use our natural resources responsibly without depleting them for future generations. By reducing harmful chemicals and waste, we create a safer and healthier environment for plants and animals. The green label inspires innovation. It encourages companies to come up with new and creative ways to design eco-friendly products. That's what I call a win-win situation. Okay, let's get specific. What kind of products can earn the prestigious green label? Have you ever used detergent that's made with biodegradable ingredients or written on recycled paper? Those are great examples. Think about the soaps and shampoos you use. Some of them might contain natural or herbal ingredients instead of harsh chemicals. The green label encourages companies to use packaging that can be reused or recycled. Even batteries can be green label certified. That means they're made with minimal toxic materials like mercury and cadmium. Now let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. What are the overall benefits of the green label? For starters, it promotes environmental conservation by encouraging cleaner production methods. And when companies adopt these methods, it reduces their impact on the environment. The green label also raises consumer awareness. When we see that label, it makes us think about the environmental impact of our choices. A reduction in waste is a major benefit. When we choose green label products, we're helping to reduce the amount of non-biodegradable waste that ends up in landfills. Finally, the green label helps companies meet international environmental norms, showing their commitment to sustainability. Okay, students, let's recap what we learned about the green label. Remember, it's a certification mark given to products that are environmentally friendly. It means those products have met certain standards to ensure they have minimal negative impact on the environment. The green label is all about promoting sustainable development, encouraging eco-friendly manufacturing processes, and guiding consumers like you and me to make greener choices. So, the next time you're out shopping, look for that label. It's a small step we can all take to protect our planet. That's all for today. Remember, the green label is not just a mark, it's a movement towards a healthier planet. Be a responsible citizen and always choose green label products when possible. To explore more such informative and simplified topics related to engineering, environment, and civil engineering concepts, like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel Engineering with Mindfulness. Thanks for watching.